What makes a luxury car a luxury car? Caprice, the luxury car by Chevrolet. You might not want to look any higher.
So today, taking a little bit more off, a couple pieces off, the grill. Took the pieces off, took the grill off. So I'm getting a new header panel. So I'm gonna probably get rid of this one because I don't want to even attempt to try to get this one fixed. I gotta get a new header panel trim. The other trims that was around the side, those were in decent condition. Man, bust my finger pulling out the window trim. But you know, I guess that happens, man. I ain't bust a finger in a while. I haven't worked on the car in a while, but this is what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna get to taking this front end off. I'll probably do that this week. We'll get to it. I've been taking all the wires loose. Wires is all chewed up or ate up. This car sat in the field for many years. Man, thought I was gonna try to start it. I still may try start the car. I gotta get some wires. The wires was ate up. Rats ate them up. I might try to do a dry start. I don't know. I almost thought about even putting a Vortec engine in. So I don't know. I think that might be the move. I may replace this, put a Vortec motor in. So once we get this front end off, then I could go ahead and move forward and take the body off the frame. So right now, taking off the header panel. This header panel got a dent in it. I ordered one from a guy, got all kind of parts. So I'm gonna have to get a new header panel and a header panel trim. I'm gonna hold on to the emblem. I'm gonna get it re-chrome. I bought some inserts that'll go in there. Fill it back in, take it back to original. So I'm gonna pull the header panel off and get to it. Impact strip off, and you gotta heat it up from the back. So I kind of ran into a problem, is that these bolts done turned on me, so I don't have a torch to cut them off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of heat this bumper impact strip from here, where I'm pointing this, at. See if I can get it off from there, man. Shit is really something, y'all. I'm having fun while I'm doing it. So, hey, try to get it done, man. Alright. Alright, guys, so this is what I used. Torch, and what I did was I heated up the back of the bumper and slowly removed the bumper strip. You can't tear the bumper strip off, rip it off, because you know your stuff is so old and so delicate. You want to be careful with removing it. so you can restore it, sand it, or whatever needs to be done. I made one out, a little burn right there. But what you gotta do to remove it, just kind of hard because the brackets are still on the back of this. Working with these bolts, so now I gotta saws all these bolts off because they just so messed up. I'm not able to get the reinforcement bracket on.